Let us consider question number 2 of the same exercise. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. So let us consider the given observation. Here the class interval are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and the frequencies are 5, x, 20, 15, y and 5. So here we have to find the value of x and value of y. The sum of all these frequencies are given 60. So the very first thing is that we must find out the cumulative frequency of all these data. For that we have to add one more column and then we will calculate the cumulative frequency. So let us see the cumulative frequency of all these frequencies. First of all, we can write here 5, then 5 plus x will be equals to 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20 will be equals to 25 plus x, 25 plus 15 is equals to 40 plus x, and 40 plus x plus y is equals to 40 plus x plus y. And if we are adding 5 in 40 plus x plus y, then we will get 45 plus x plus y. So the last column is representing the cumulative frequency of the given data. From the column frequency, we can have 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5 is equals to 60, because the sum of all these frequencies are given 60. So here we can write down 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. If we will add all these, then we will have 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. And after solving this equation, we will have x plus y is equals to 15. So this can be our very first equation. This can be taken as equation number 1. After that, we will find the median class. Since the median of the given distribution is given 28.5, so the median class will be equals to 20 to 30. This is the median class. So we will select this whole row. This whole row is representing the median class 20 to 30. Since 28.5 comes in the range 20 to 30, that's why this will be taken as the median class. Now let us see the formula of median. As we know, median is equals to L plus H multiplied by N upon 2 minus CF upon F. So first of all, we can write here median class is equals to 20 to 30, because 28.5 comes between 20 to 30. That's why this can be taken as the median class. Now here L is representing the lower limit of the median class, that is equals to 20. H is representing the width of the median class, that will be equals to 30 minus 20 means 10. N, the value of n can be taken as from here. N is the sum of all frequencies, so it will be taken as 60 minus CF. So here CF is representing the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, then that will be equals to 5 plus x. Once again I am repeating here, CF is representing the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, so that will be equals to 5 plus x. And here F is representing the frequency of the median class, that is equals to 20. All these values we can put here. The value of median is given 28.5, so here we can write 28.5. L is 20, H 10, N is equals to 60, CF cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is equals to 5 plus x. So I have written here 5 plus x. F is the frequency of the median class, that is equals to 20. After solving this equation, we will have x is equals to 8. So this is the value of x. After getting the value of x, now we have to find the value of y also. To find the value of y, we have to put the value of x in equation number 1. If we are putting the value of x in equation number 1, then the value of y is equals to 7. So we got the value of y also. So these two are the solution of the given question. Now let us consider question number 3 of the same exercise. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Calculate the median age. If policies are given only to the persons having age 18 years onwards, but less than 60 years. The given data is age and the policy holders are given as follows. Below 20, the number of policy holder is 2. Below 25, the number of policy holder is 6, and so on. So first of all, we have to convert the given data into the form of frequency distribution table with class interval. Here we can observe that age is given as below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, and so on. So we must convert this one into the form of class interval. Since the age minimum age is given 18 years, so here below 20, so first class interval must be equals to 18 to 20. So the frequency distribution table will be like this: 18 to 20, and next will be 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and so on. These number of policy holders are the cumulative frequency. So I have written in the last column CF, or we can say cumulative frequency. 2, same thing I have copied here. Then 6, 6 is copied here. 24, then 24 is copied here, and so on. With the help of this cumulative frequency, we have to find out the frequency. Let us see how to find the frequency. First we will copy 2 as it is without making any change. Now 6 minus 2 will be equals to 4. So we can write here 4. Now 24 minus 6 is equals to 18. So I have written here 18. 45 minus 24 is equals to 21. So I have written here 21. 78 minus 45 is equals to 33. So I have written here 33, and so on. After that, we will calculate the median of the given data. So let us see how to find the median age of the given data. To find the median age of the given data, the very first thing is that we must find the median class. To find out the median class, first of all, we have to find out the value of n. The value of n is the sum of all the frequency. The sum of frequency is already given, that is 100. So here we can write the value of n is equals to 100. Now after that, we have to divide 100 by 2. If we will divide 100 by 2, then that will be equals to 50. After that, we will check which cumulative frequency is just greater than 50. So here we can observe that in the cumulative frequency column, 78 is just greater than 50. 89 is also greater, 92 is also greater, but we have to find out just greater than 50. So this 78 is just greater than 50. So we have to select this whole row. Here 35 to 40 is representing the median class. So here we can write median class will be equals to 35 to 40. After that, we will write the formula to find the median of the given observation. So median is equals to L plus H into N upon 2 minus CF upon F. So L is representing the lower limit of the median class, that is equals to 35. H is the range of the median class. So 40 minus 35 is equals to 5. N, the value of n we are having 100. So we can write on the place of n, we can write 100. CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is equals to 45. Now F is the frequency of the median class, that is equals to 33. So all these values we have to feed in the given formula. So let us see the equation. Median will be equals to 35. The value of L I have written here 35. H is the width of the median class. 40 minus 35 equals to 5. N upon 2 will be equals to 50. CF I have taken from here 45, and F is 33. After solving this one, we will have median equals to 35.76. Therefore, median age is 35.76 years. So this is the final solution of this question. Now let us consider question number 4 of the same exercise. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. The data is given as follow: length in millimeter and number of leaves. 118 to 126, the number of leaves are 3. 127 to 135, number of leaves are 5, and so on. So from this given data we can observe that the given class interval is in the inclusive form, because the upper limit of this class is 126 while the lower limit of the next class is 127. Both are not same. So these are in the inclusive form. So the very first thing is that we must convert the given class interval into the exclusive form. How to convert it into the exclusive form? Let us see here. First of all, we have to find the difference between these two, or we can find the difference between any two. Like if we are selecting this class 136 to 144, then from here we have to select the upper limit, that is 144, and from the next class we have to select the lower limit. The difference between two is 1. So we have to divide 1 by 2. The result will be equals to 0.5. So from each lower limit we have to subtract 0.5 and we have to add 0.5 in each upper limit of the class. So the resultant class interval will be equals to 117.5 to 126.5. Next will be 126.5 to 135.5, and so on. It means we are subtracting 0.5 from 118. The result will be 117.5, and here in the upper limit we are adding 0.5. So it will be equals to 126.5, and so on. After that, we will add one more column for the cumulative frequency. So let us see the cumulative frequency of the given data. Here first of all we will copy 3 as it is without making any change. Now for the next we will add 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. For the next we will add 8 plus 9, that is equals to 17. For the next data 17 plus 12 is equals to 29, and so on. After that, we will find the value of n. The value of n is already given in the question, that is equals to 40, or if it is not given in the question, then we can add the frequencies, that is equals to 40. The sum of all the frequencies is equals to 40. That will be the value of n. So here we can write n is equals to 40. Since the value of n is equals to 40, then the value of n upon 2 will be equals to 20. Since the value of n upon 2 is 20, now we will find out the median class on the basis of n upon 2. Since the value of n upon 2 is 20, then we have to find the cumulative frequency which is just greater than 20. That will be equals to 29. So this whole row we have to select. So here 144.5 to 153.5 is representing the median class. So here we can write median class is equals to 144.5 to 153.5. After that, we will write the formula median is equals to L plus H into n upon 2 minus CF upon F. Here L is representing the lower limit of the median class, that is 144.5. H is representing the width of the median class, means 153.5 minus 144.5, that will be equals to 9. N upon 2 we have already calculated 20. Now CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that will be taken as 17. F is representing the frequency of the median class, that is equals to 12. So all these values we have to feed in the formula. So it will be 144.5 plus 9 into 20 minus 17 upon 12. After solving this one, we will have median equals to 146.75. Therefore, median length of leaves is 146.75 millimeter. So this is the final solution of this question.